So here we are in Georgia. We're in Dallas, and this is Randall's shop. And he's got himself a couple of cars. He's doing some restoration on his own projects. He's got himself a fabricated wheel, so he got the kit from Rachel, all the dimensions, welded it up. This is Wayne. He's doing some wheeling. He's putting a shaped panel through the English wheel. And then we got Randall sitting over here. He's just shaped up his panel. He's waiting to get on the wheel. And then we have Brian. He's the guy that probably is learning the most and getting his feet wet on doing metal shaping. And then we have Mike, who is using the small Eastwood's wheel. He's going to make another panel that copies his other panel, so that we're getting ready to do some welding for tomorrow. So we're going to do some coupons tomorrow, welding, and then we're going to do our shaped panels and weld those together. So that's what we're making up and fabricating, and it's a cool shop. Got some equipment, and we're having some fun in the car.